We are now going to simplify radical expressions. So to do that, there's three basic steps. First, change everything to have rational powers. Step 2 is to simplify the rational powers, as we did back in Chapter 5. Step 3 is to change back to radical signs. So we start in radicals, we go to rationals, and then we come back to radicals. So for our first example, suppose that we have the fourth root of 3 squared. Well, our first step is to rewrite this as 3 to the 2 divided by 4. Remember, the root goes to the bottom, the power goes to the top. We then simplify our fraction, so this becomes 3 to the 1/2, since we can take a 2 out of both, which we convert back to a radical as the square root of 3. So the fourth root of 3 squared is the same as the square root of 3. Similarly, if we have the 8th root of x to the 6th, this becomes x to the 6 over 8. 6 over 8 reduces to 3 over 4, which becomes the fourth root of x cubed. Suppose that we have the 9th root of 27, x to the 6th, y cubed. Remember that 27 is really 3 cubed, and that's going to come in handy here, because we're going to rewrite this as 3 cubed times x to the 6th, y cubed, raised to the 1/9 power. We then distribute through our 1/9 and get 3 to the 3/9, x to the 6/9, y to the 3/9. Reduce all of our fractions. 1 over 3, 2 over 3, and 1 over 3. Notice that they're all still third powers. So we can go back to 3x squared y to the 1/3 power. Notice I just undistributed the 1/3. In essence, I factored it. And my final answer then is the cube root of 3x squared y. One final example, suppose I have the 5th root of the cube root of t. Well, this becomes, working from the outside in, t to the 1/3 to the 1/5. I have a power raised to a power. Well, then I just multiply the powers and get t to the 1/15th, or the 15th root of t. And we are done.